is my 24-hour journey to get to my first ever cruise ship. And today I'm on my way to Rome for my first ever cruise, but because I have to get there today instead of tomorrow when I actually set up, it looks as though we're going to have a nice little day in Rome. Let's get to it. Right then, so first things first, let's get ourselves through security and all that jazz, get ourselves to the good old Wetherspoons. The classic start to any travel day. I am here and I am so glad I spent that £6. Have a look at what the security was like getting through this morning. I always suggest getting your £6 express pass. It saves so much time and it's hardly anything, is it? Let's be honest. It's cheaper than a pint of Guinness, let's put it that way. So anyway, talking about pints of Guinness, let's get ourselves one of them, get ourselves our normal breakfast, and I'll see you in a minute. Right, okay then, so the classic combo has arrived, and like I say, breakfast of champions. Anyway, let's get to this. Cheers, everybody. See if we can split this G and get ourselves a good trip. Not really. Close, but no cigar. There we go. So anyway, I'm going to get into this. And, well, yeah. It won't take long, let's be honest. So then we'll get ourselves probably another drink. And then we'll get ourselves to the plane. Hey, guys. Okay, go on. Here we go. Oh, you overshot that one there, mate. You're too thirsty, that's what it was. Well done. See, already meeting some nice people, and this guy's absolutely ace, but yeah, overall, there's only one person that actually got the G-split, and that's the lady over on the table over there. Fair play to her. Or was. All of us got a little bit of a loss there. Okay, so like 45 minutes later, took ages to get through passport control, didn't recognise my fingerprints again. Well, now I'm on my first ever European train. It's going to be a trip of many firsts, and I look alright so far. Well, seems to be on time, so there's that. Okay, so I'll see you when I get into the main room. I'm now in Rome, and yeah, let's get ourselves to our hotel. It's about a 15-minute walk, and we'll go from there. How nice does this place look? Show me we're in Italy without telling me. I'd just say that. That's a pretty building. Right, and I finally found our hotel, which is in that brown door over there. Now, I'm not joking with you. I went to 2 separate hotels to try and find this hotel. Nightmare. Not a bad little room, this, to be honest. For the money. Really am really impressed. For the money we paid as well. Bear in mind, it's only a quick stopover hotel. Very nice. Bathroom's pretty good as well. For that. Big mirror. Hello, everybody. Yeah. I'm quite impressed. Really clean as well. Okay, so I'm pretty impressed with that. Overall, for the price, I think that's pretty good. So now, all there is to do is leave our bags here and all the bits we don't need, and then we're going to go off on a little adventure and have a little mooch round, get some food, a few drinks, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, let's see where it takes us. It's now time to get mooching, and I'm not too sure where I go from here. I'm going to go up the stairs, why not? Oh, there's a lot of them there. Today is only the day to get ourselves ready for the cruise. First stop, the Coliseum. Let's have a little mooch around that, get ourselves a beer, and then see where it takes us. Like I say, we're going to have a little mooch around Rome today, see what it's about. Just an extra day really, get something in, something different to do. Well, not the beer part, obviously, I do that quite often. But going around Rome's different, right? Right then, here it is, just coming into view. Now this is very impressive. So I think I found myself a nice little place for a quick beer. First beer of the day, and you're going to be hard pressed to beat that. To beat that as your view. I've got myself a beer in front of the Coliseum, and look at this for a view. It's all right, yeah. Also got myself the garlic bread because, well, I'll be honest with you, garlic bread. Right, and obviously first beer of the trip. Pretty good. Cheers, everybody. Right, let's give it a try. It's all right. I must say, it is really, really nice and chill, yeah, to be honest. But where next? That's the question. We've left there now, and if you haven't seen the Colosseum, by the way, I'd highly recommend you do that. That place is fantastic. I have actually been inside it before, so I didn't need to go all the way around it today, but yeah, really, really, really special place. And to think, all that time ago they built it, it's just unbelievable. So anyway, let's carry on with our mooching and see where we end up next. Right then, so I've got myself a little ice cream, and I know it's before dinner, but how could you not? The ice cream looks amazing. Well, the gelato looks amazing. Doing it like that, look at this. That's ace. Thank you very much, Gretzy, thank you. Right, so I went for the toffee and the strawberry, and oh yeah, very interesting. And just in front of the famous Trevi Fountain. Well, we've got to have a little look at this, haven't we? Let's look at this queue for it though. That's crazy. That place looks nice. I'd like to throw a coin in there, but I'm not waiting like an hour queue to do so. So, yeah. Looks cool though. Oh, right there. Talking about that, I think we might have just found somewhere. Oh, yeah. Takeaway drinks. I've never seen that before. I quite like that. Definitely doing that. Hey mate, can I get a mojito please, buddy? Oh, yeah, thank you. The smaller one please, mate. So start with this one. I love the size though. That. Thank you, Charles. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so that hole in the wall bar might have done us a solid, so cheers everybody. Give it a try. How cool is this little shop? The Pinocchio shop. Thanks. I never thought I'd see a Pinocchio shop before. Oh, see sweetener every day, I suppose. It's actually pretty cool though. Cool these. I found this right little place now, and it's actually got a bar, so we're in it. Oh, lovely. Okay, so we've actually found somewhere that actually allows us to have a drink without having food. Right, okay, so we are getting on in the day, obviously, and it's really hard to find a bar, so I thought, why not? I'm going to double up. I've gone for myself a nice little vodka Red Bull and a pint of Peroni. And I think after this, probably be time for food, so that's the plan. So, yeah. Oh, should we do the cheers thing, innit? Cheers, everybody. Oh, yeah. Might wake me up a bit since I was up at 2 o'clock this morning again, guys. So, anyway, and this one, cheers, everybody. I'm really looking forward to this cruise. I cannot wait to get on board this ship. So I'm going to get myself a very early night tonight. I do not want to miss this boat. Like the saying goes, don't miss the boat. That's probably come from that, I think. Okay then, so I do actually quite like that bar. That bar was all right. At least it was an actual bar. So anyway, I'm going to carry on having a little look around and see what else I can find. And then I've already booked ourselves into an awesome steakhouse, hopefully. So right, okay, so I found this little store that might be good for Emma. Let's have a little look inside. I'm going to show you this jacket, okay, that I've seen. This is what I think you might like, yeah? So I'm going to show you now. How do I do? Is it that button there? Right there. One sec. Where's the button that? Right.
That's nice.
Yeah, I told you. I thought you'd like the look of that. It looks cool, doesn't it? It's like a cardigan material, yeah? But that looks cool, doesn't it? So I did buy that little jumper coat thing, whatever it is. Yeah, so I should be in the good books after that. So anyway, now it's time to go somewhere else and find something else. Found another bar. This is one actually lets you in. Well, it's a restaurant, let's let you in now. Taverna Alfredo. The food actually that's coming out here looks really nice, but like I say, we've already booked our steak. So just a pint in here and cheers everybody. We're done with them bars. It's now time to get something to eat. And the original steak place I found actually weren't even open, so forget that. So I've made a executive decision that I can't be bothered to walk to another steak place and try and find a really good steak place. I'm going to go for something that I know is okay, but bear in mind we have got 3 days of cruising to do, and I'm going to save my money for that. So you're going to be so impressed when you see that my suggestion here. I think so. Yeah. KFC is because it's easy as, well, KFC I suppose. So I'm going to order this, get myself something to eat. I'm just eating here because it's just so much easier. Okay then, so I went for the easiest option, a couple of pieces of chicken, a couple of wings and some fries. So we'll get ourselves back earlier anyway, so that'll be the main thing. So there we go. Because we have got a long day tomorrow, so see you in a bit. Right, okay then, so KFC has been eaten and now it's time to get back to our hotel, get rested right and early for the morning. And I think that's a sensible decision. And if you haven't already and you want to see more riveting action like me go and eat at KFC, please like and subscribe. I do other things, by the way, so yeah, that'd be great. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. And anyway, let's get back to our hotel. It is though, I must say, a pretty city at the night time as well. Like I say, so many little restaurants and they're all only ever so small. Do you see what I mean by all the pretty little restaurants that there are all lit up? It is really nice, to be honest. There's just so many of them. It'll take you forever to discover them all. Let's get back to our hotel. It's literally just there. That's me for the evening. So I'll see you all in the morning when we actually get to the actual boat. Because today was just kind of a, well, make the most of it day, I suppose. But yeah, see you in the morning. Right then, okay, good morning, and I have slept okay, to be fair. Overall, this hotel's reasonable, and it's a reasonable price, so yeah, got no complaints there. Bed was okay, comfortable enough. Now, okay, so what we've got to do now is get to the train station, and then get the train to the port, and then there's a small walk after that, so yeah, we're on that kind of the last legs, so let's get to it. So we have left the hotel, short walk to the train station, and sadly it is raining today, but kind of everything in our favour, right? So get to the train station and maybe grab something to eat quickly. No hash browns? I might just knock that on the open. There are some different things though, to be fair, but to be honest, I'm kind of hoping to save myself for this cruise anyway. There are loads of options for breakfast though, to be fair. it was on the other platforms all the way over at the back. About a 10-minute walk from the train station. So anyway, we made it, and next stop, Setravecchia, something like that anyway. So I'll see you when we get there.
मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा खरीदना नहीं, पर जाएंगे तो कुछ
And finally, one more little bus ride, and then finally at the ship. And as you can see, I have arrived. Now, that's it for me for today. And obviously, if you want to see how I got on my first ever cruise, please like and subscribe. And obviously, there's plenty more to do. And there's plenty more on the channel other than cruise stuff as well. So, well, yeah, I'm looking forward to this though. It's absolutely huge. Anyway, I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.